Hey guys, Andy here, Ralph's Auto Center, New Bedford, Mass. Just took this in trade yesterday, 2015 Honda CRV LX. This was a car that we previously sold about 5 years ago with about 50,000 miles on it then. And now it has just a little over 90,000 at 91,334. Car was maintained here at Ralph's. Brakes, tires, everything was done by the previous owner. The customer that we've had here for years. Takes good care of his vehicles. You can see Honda battery. Clean engine. Did not require much reconditioning at all. Don't mind the fog in the windows. That's just from us shampooing it. The carpet's a little damp. This car is in excellent shape. It has Bluetooth, cruise control, pretty much everything you'd expect nowadays. USB inputs and auxiliaries. It is an LX model. On the LX, you do not have the sunroof or the alloy wheels, but we do have the chrome simulators on it. Add a little bit of a look to it. You can see that all four tires are in excellent condition. In the interior, like I said, really nice. No burn holes, non-smoker. Clean car. Got one little scratch on the rear bumper we can probably touch up, make it look a little bit better, but I don't think it justifies painting the rear bumper, just for a small scratch. Spare tire. It is all-wheel drive, not a front-wheel drive model. So perfect in the snow in this New England weather. We do have the rear shade. And you can see the back seats, everything functions exactly as it should. Headliner's clean. Some more tires. Brakes, I think he just did them in the last few months. As you can see, the primer paint is still on the center of the rotor. So the back brakes were done recently, and I think he did his front ones within the last year. So this car's ready to go. We're going to change the oil, obviously, run it through our inspection process, but I don't anticipate any surprises. We do have a set of books showing one key here in the ignition. I believe I might have a spare coming in. And there she is. So come down, check it out. Have this car priced at $14,490 right now. Take it for a ride, check it out, see what you think. We can get you financed. We got some local banks, credit unions. We can ship a car pretty much anywhere in the country. And go from there. Check out our website, www.ralphscars.com, if you're finding this on YouTube only or Instagram. And we got about 50-60 photos up there, stills. So hopefully I can answer any questions you got. You can always call me directly, 855-772-5747. And if this isn't what you're looking for, we got some convertibles. We got another CRV. That one's an EXL. About 105, 110,000 on that one. And then we got plenty of other stuff, from sedans, sports cars, SUVs, town cars, you name it. And even some pickup trucks way back there against the fence. Look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day. Thanks a lot.